Hey, I wanted to share something that we've been toying with over the past several weeks since AI became entered the scene and ChatGPT kind of took the lead. And so we, as a digital marketing company with a slant towards technical development, web development, web application, etc., we realized the importance of getting unique content out to people who are searching for information on specific topics. And we have used on a handful of articles ChatGPT to get ideas, ideation on how to produce content that is going to be, number one, helpful to the audience, and number two, getting people on a path to understanding our position of one of helping, of subject matter expertise, etc. And so I wanted to highlight kind of the process we have used. And if it is at all helpful, or if you would like help, start that conversation, feel free. But we always start with a topic in mind, and you can see here the topic is a blog post, first of all, for about reasons that a small service business should use WordPress as their content management system. And we're not saying that WordPress is exactly the right solution for every service business, but definitely want to give people information to help them make that decision. But we start with that topic in mind, then we create an outline. So here are some points that we could highlight for validating is WordPress the right content management system, website platform, etc. for your business. And GPT gave us a great outline for those topics. And then that's pretty cool. And then we created keywords because we want this to be found. And you'll notice I missed. I forgot that GPT gives us a numbered list. That's not at all helpful usually, but I want this in a comma separated list, something that I can work with and kind of prioritize. So it did that for us. Then we wrote an article, the 15 to 2,000 words, so that we got some traction. 1,500 to 2,000 words is not always the right length, but for a subject this deep, I wanted to get there. And then it gave us a good amount of content that on in this direction. So it's you can see us following that outline that it gave us above, and then it kind of topped out kind of around point four. So I just asked, could you consider, could you finish the article? And it did that. Again, following the article, picked up right where it left off, and then ended up with a conclusion. So that's great. And again, this is from the direction of WordPress might be a great fit for you. And then now, so it's important to note that we're not going to simply copy and paste this into our website. Just like keyword spamming and stuffing and all of the things that typically marketers will do to produce a ton of content, search engines are still going to be looking to promote content that is quality, that is original, that that can't be mass produced like this. And so if we start spinning a whole lot of articles out there that are just us spending 3 minutes with ChatGPT and producing a ton of content, that's not at all going to be helpful. There are tests that search engines can employ looking for content that is generated by artificial intelligence, and it will flag those articles and risk being deranked. So we don't want to simply copy and paste, but this does give us the ability to see kind of where artificial intelligence is seeing opportunities to produce content, to push out content that is helpful, that is based on what people are searching for, and then giving our writers something to work with. And then, also, we created a week of content, and it didn't give us a full week, but we wanted to know how to highlight this blog post, and we used just some of the social channels that we are on and have some, resonance with. And so it gave us day one for each of those social platforms, day two, day three, and actually it just gave us days 1 and 2, and it says, pretty much from here, you can figure it out on your own. So I may engage with GPT to continue to put out a social calendar for driving traffic to that post. But that at least is really interesting to see what GPT thinks we could post about, how to write a post, how to create videos around it and social posts to draw attention to that post, and then how we go from there. So can GPT replace a copywriter? I'm still saying no, but it is going to 10x our efficiency and really work on getting the best content out in front of our audience in a small amount of time. So, hope this helps. And again, if you have thoughts, questions, input, would love to hear.